Um, I am from Kalburgi. My graduated is MA MA BEd.
I have done MBA.
I have done MA BEd.
Okay.
Then ask some questions me. Then I told you.
I tell you.
I
Answer.
tell you answers.
Yes. Anybody ask questions?
Anybody ask questions?
I will answer your questions.
I will answer your questions.
Yes. Anyone. Only one question. Yes. Only one question. Yes.
How to make tea?
How to
Yes.
make how to make tea, man.
Yes.
Question is how to make tea. Yes.
How to make tea?
Yes.
Yes. First you go to kitchen room. Then some boil. Take the boil.
Yes. Yes.
One boil take. Then start the gas stove. Gas stove.
Yes.
Then boil under the milk. First you give some milk. Then water is some milk. Then milk is the boil some time. Then add the tea pudi. Tea pudi.
Tea pudding and tea powder.
Tea powder. Then add the sugar.
Okay.
Then sometime boil the tea.
Yes.
Boil the tea.
You wait for some time.
You wait for some time.
Yes.
Then boil next
Yes.
spoon under the
Mix it.
spoon.
You mix it.
You mix it.
Yes.
Tea. Then off the gas. Then you
turn
take
off gas.
turn off gas. Then you take the tea.
You have it.
Then
You have it. You
then
have it.
then you add the one glass. Glass na
Take one
hakumadi.
glass.
You take one glass. Then
You strain it.
strain it one glass. Then you
have it.
sit and have one.
Yes. Already they are sitting. They will have it.
Okay.
Next question is how to learn English. How do you learn English? Means actually they are planning to improve their English communication. How should they learn English? Your answer. A, be quiet.
First I attend the spoken English class.
No, I attend not. You attend. You attend.
First you go to the spoken English class.
Okay.
Then you admission their
take-
spoken English class. Then you take admission spoken English class. Then you go to the regularly spoken English class. Then some examples.
You write some examples.
You read some examples and learn to this class
Okay.
regularly.
Okay.
Then some reads newspapers.
You read.
Some newspapers. And watch the movies. You watch English movies. Then speak your all family members. Only you speak our all family members only English. Not only use Kannada, Hindi.
You don't speak Kannada.
You don't speak Kannada, Hindi, other language.
Okay.
Then you come to spoken English class. Spoken English class also use you speak only English. Then discuss your friends English. Then daily you speak everybody English. Then you
talk to everyone in English.
then you talk to everyone in English.
You talk to everyone in English. You talk to everyone in
You
English.
talk to everyone in English.
You watch English news.
You watch English
You
news.
read English newspaper.
You read English
You
newspapers.
speak English.
You do speak English.
You practice.
You practice.
You can do practice.
You can do practice.
You finally learn it.
You finally learn it.
You do it like this.
You do it.
Yes. Thank you everyone. Very
Thank you,
good.
sir.